Hello, in this 1 minute video, I'll discuss how to avoid some common mistakes in our machine learning projects. In my previous video, I also discussed common mistakes in machine learning projects in detail. You will find the link to that video in the description box. Let us proceed with how we can avoid common mistakes in a machine learning project. Data understanding. Spend enough time understanding the data, the different features and their importance, and the most important parts for solving the problem. Cleaning and pre-processing. Apply the correct data cleaning and pre-processing technique to handle missing values and outliers. Scale numerical features as needed depending on the algorithm you are using. Feature engineering. In addition to pre-processing the existing features, you can also create a new representative features that are most useful in making predictions. Data leakage. To avoid data leakage, make sure that you are not using any information from the test data in your model. Underfit and overfit. It is important to pick the model with the right complexity, as the models that are too complex are not very helpful.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.